Welcome everyone in today's video of Quick Guide.
In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download and install Libertex app in your mobile device. For this, you need to open your Play Store. Here it is, just open it. And then search for the keyword Libertex in the search bar of Play Store. As a result, you can see Libertex Trade Stop in the search result. Simply click on it and then simply click on this install button. Now, the download process of the app has been started. It might take some time to get installed in your device. Just wait for it. Finally, the app has been installed in my device. Let's check it out the app in the app section. And there it is. The app is installed and the task is complete. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.